Hey guys, how's it going? How to access early access game reviews via Steam Mobile. So open the Steam Mobile app and search for any game. Find an early access game that you're interested in by searching the title, for searching its title or developer in the Steam store, and then view the store page. Okay, go ahead and visit the store page and scroll down to find the games that you can review. Right, scroll down to the reviews right here. Let's have an example at this game. Okay, scroll down to the reviews of that game, right, and gonna be able, it says right here there is no reviews for this product, but go ahead to your specific game and just see the reviews. And if you want to filter the reviews, right, look for the filter option. Right, you're gonna go ahead, select your game, and as you can see right here, if you want to filter depending on the language or overall reviews, right, and you're gonna be able to filter it and represented by 3 horizontal lines and or drop down arrow, and then read the reviews. Browse through the filtered reviews to get an idea of the game's current state, bugs, and overall quality. So that's another comment to this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.